Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Audi Q5 SPORTBACK. This is the new generation model and it looks awesome. I mean, just look at this new single frame grille. It sits higher compared to the predecessor than the gorgeous matrix LEDs, and also you can change the lighting signatures. How cool is that? Sits on the 20-inch wheels. 4 meters, 71.7 centimeters is the length of the car. You can see, of course, the coupe styling here of the roofline, and then from the rear, look at this. How cool does this look? I will lock the car now and unlock it so that you can see the lighting signature once again. Digital OLED 2.0 taillights. You also have this beautiful stoplight like the projection and also the puddle lights. This is the diesel with the mild hybrid plus technology. 2 exhaust pipes on the left for this model. Let me also show you the trunk. And by the way, look at this. You can also do it with your leg and open it actually. So here, really practical indeed. 515 liters up to 1415 liters. Press this to close the tailgate. You can also do it with the key as well. But now we are ready to go on a drive. Look at this puddle light, Q5 SPORTBACK TDI Quattro. This is illuminated, and then the digital stage in front of the driver. How cool is that? Now let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, here is your view as a driver. Let me immediately press the start engine button. Car comes to life, gorgeous illumination and the screens in front of us. Now, let me put on my seat belt. And we are ready to go. This is the minimalistic gear selector of the 7-speed S Tronic automatic transmission. Put it to drive and we are ready, so let's go. We have the beautiful ambient lights, as you can see. And the model in our video, let's start with the specs. So it is the 2-liter TDI with mild hybrid plus technology. So 204 horsepower, 1.7 kilowatt-hour battery. 7.4 seconds to reach 100, and the top speed is 226 kilometers per hour. Now also take a look at this very cool detail when you turn on the indicator on this illuminated bar here in front of us. This is so nice. When it comes to powertrains of the new Audi Q5 SPORTBACK, there's a lot to choose from. You can go for the petrol or diesel models with the mild hybrid plus technology. There are also plug-in hybrids, so the e-hybrid models from 299 horsepower to 367 horsepower, and then top of the line model is the SQ5 with the 6-cylinder petrol unit, also mild hybrid technology, 367 horsepower. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice. And now we are driving through my hometown of Zagreb, and you can see the beautiful layout in front of us. Digital cockpit, you can change the views here. Also when you change the driving modes, you have a bit of a different layout in front of you. I will show you that as well. And yeah, the middle MMI touchscreen, 14.5-inch screen, and the optional passenger screen, 10.1-inch screen. And this beautiful layout in front of us really makes you just want to drive and drive, you know, whole night, because the ambient lights, the screens, everything looks so nice. Now that we will be stationary, I will also show you the different ambient lights. So if we go here, you have various settings including the lights. Now interior lighting, we can change the ambient lights. Look at this. How cool is that? Purple looks very nice as well. You can also change it by yourself. So let's say you want purple here, but you want this line to be red. Now you can also turn off this interactive bar here if you don't like it if you think it's too much, but yeah, if you follow me regularly, you will know that I'm a big fan of this, so I will keep it on, of course. Love the indicator sound, very relaxing, and so is the drive with this mild hybrid plus. So you see currently we are driving with just electric power, so even though it's a mild hybrid, you can still drive with just electric power. So that's very nice, makes the car and makes the drive itself very smooth indeed. Also, the head-up display has a lot of information and very good graphics. Not sure how much the camera is catching it though. And the drive select, the button is here. So we have the balanced, then dynamic, and you see now we have a bit of a different view in front of us. 400 Newton meters of torque in this model. And then moving on, comfort, efficiency, and off-road. Also notice here the air suspension settings. So this car has got the optional air suspension, and the ride itself is so smooth. And then again, if you are, for example, in dynamic, the car the suspension will go lower. And yeah, definitely, I mean, I'm enjoying this drive so much. I hope you will as well. And air suspension definitely worth upgrading on this model. This is the speed limit warning sound, mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. But what is cool is that here you don't need to go into the menus if you want to turn it off, because you can have the shortcut for that. So currently I have this set for this, so I will press this custom button, and now traffic sign based speed warning is off, and just like that, no more beeping sound as soon as you go just 1 kilometer over the speed limit. And the steering, so good, pointy, and it's such a pleasure to drive this car. Also, I've been driving it on country roads, and feels very nice in corners. You have the 20-inch wheels on the model in our video. You can also go for the 21-inch ones if you want even more styling, but I think this is a nice measure, I would say. Now the AC controls are on touch, but it's pretty easy to use it. Also, one cool detail, if we go to higher temperature, this turns to red. How cool is that? And then the menu is here. You can do it manually, adjust the air blower, or you can have the auto one, then auto gentle, medium, or intensive. Those are the options, but I will keep it on gentle. If you want to see more details of the infotainment system, you can watch my full review during the day. And now that we are stationary, let me also show you this central console. Love the design, love the layout, but I would love to see different material here, because here we have the gloss black, and this will get fingerprints and scratches easily, so I would prefer a different material. You have these shortcuts here. We can access the camera and cameras because this car has the 360 surround, and that can help you a lot when you are maneuvering through parking lots or like garages and in the city, for example. So this will help you to keep everything tidy and to keep your wheels untouched. I will now let you enjoy a bit of driving without talking. Of course, this car is packed with technology. By pressing the button here, you have the shortcut for the driver assistance safety systems. There's a lot to choose from here, and then you can select how you want various systems to work. So you have favorites, warnings, lane assist, speed, brake, and efficiency. Alright, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this night drive. I certainly did, and I will just keep driving after this video because yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Thank you so much for watching it. Do subscribe to the channel to see more, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.